Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use two WhatsApp accounts on iPhone. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, if you open your WhatsApp application and then at the bottom right click on the settings icon, and in this interface actually there is no button to use another account or to create another account. That's because if you have an iPhone you won't be able to use this feature. But actually if you have the second SIM card and you want to create the second WhatsApp account, all you need to do is to go back to your home page, then open your App Store application, and then in the search bar you need to type WhatsApp Business. After that you need to open the first one application, then download it to the last version if you already have this application. So you need to download the last version of this application and then click on the open button. Here it is. After that you will see this interface. You can read this message and then click on the agree and continue button at the bottom of the screen. Then in the middle of the screen you will see your current WhatsApp number, and then if you have a second SIM card you need to click on the use a different number. Here it is. And then in this interface all you need to do is to enter your second phone number and then click on the next button, then enter a activate code, and then you will be able to use your second WhatsApp account. And that's all, and that's how to use two WhatsApp accounts on iPhone. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.